Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be making a breakfast wrap. Okay, so I will be making sausage, onions, eggs, and cheese to put inside the wrap. Okay, so first I started with the sausage. Once that was done, you just see I'm cutting up the onions. Then I'm going to put them in a pan and cook them for a little bit so they could get soft. As you can see, I'm just adding some seasonings that I like. Okay, now that the onions are done, you're just gonna see I'm gonna get started on making the eggs. I'm just having 2 eggs scrambled, and I'm just adding a little bit of seasoning. Then I'm gonna put them in a pan to cook. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you hit that like button, and also make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when I post more videos. Now that the eggs are done, I'm just going to be showing you the wrap that I'm going to use. It's the carb balanced wheat wrap, and I'm just going to add the stuff to the wrap. Okay, so once I was done adding the stuff to the wrap, I'm just going to roll it up, and then you're going to see me cut it in half and show you guys how it looks.